So electricity prices has gone crazy again. So today I'm going to show you how to build an all-weather clothesline that's designed to work in Irish weather all year round. And in my opinion, if you build one of these for yourself, you're going to save yourself hundreds of euros over time by cutting back on using the drying machine. So let's get to it. So that's it. Done and dusted. She's ready to dry clothes until pigs can fly. Now it looks a little bit high because it actually, you know, it's supposed to go down a bit lower than it is now. This is just put here temporarily. It's up on, as you can see, 4 concrete blocks. If this was being put into a garden like this, the concrete blocks would be obviously down the same level as the grass, and there'd be 4 concrete pads built down into the ground, you know. So this can be fixed 3 different ways. The posts can be made longer to go down into the ground, put post mix around them. They can be bolted down onto a concrete base, or they can be bolted down onto concrete pads. Like, I suppose you could also put caster wheels on it if you wanted to move it around, but if there was a storm coming, you'd have to have somewhere that you could kind of put it away from the storm, in near the side of a house or whatever, that wind wouldn't get much of a grip on it. But you could actually put caster wheels on it if you wanted to. Now all you got to do different here, if I was permanently fixing this, is I just run a bolt straight through the post and the steel, and then I'd put 4 concrete screw bolts down into the base, into the concrete, or into the footings, or whatever you're fixing it to. And that would be that. That should keep it nice and safe, even in high winds. And yeah, there's not really else to look at much here. Oh yeah, so the clotheslines there, there's 4 clotheslines gone up there now. That's 40 feet of clothesline. That should be more than enough to keep to do what you got to do. And if you need any more clothesline than that, I feel sorry for you. So that's it. She's ready to rock and roll. And there it is, finished. An all-weather clothesline designed for Irish weather that will help you cut down on using the drying machine and save you lots of money over time for an extra couple of bottles of wine, hopefully. Alright guys, thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Hope it saves you some money down the road. See you in the next video. Mind yourself.